Hey everyone, Tkinter offers great modules, and that's what we are going to talk about today. While using a class in Tkinter, the module first assembles a TCL or TK command string. Now, the Tkinter package is the standard Python interface to the TCL or Tk GUI toolkit. TCL or TK is not a single library but a collection of various modules. If you're not familiar with the TCL or TK, I will just write down the architecture briefly for you. So, TCL is a dynamic interpreted programming language. Just like Python, it is another programming language which is written in C. It is most commonly embedded into C applications. We talked about this last time, that TCL is mostly written in C. Then comes TK. TK is a TCL package implemented in C. So what is TK? TK is a TCL package. It is used to add custom commands to create and manipulate GUI widgets. Okay. Then we have theme TK, or we can call it TTK. It is a newer family of TK widgets. It provides a much better appearance. So this was all about the architecture. Now about the modules available in Tkinter, we would talk about some useful modules, and to get a better idea of how they work, we will see some examples too. Now TTK is very important as a module. So it provides you upgraded widgets. So the widgets here are upgraded than the main Tkinter module. Okay. We can also talk about the color chooser module, which lets you choose a color in Tkinter. To just show you how it works, I'll write a piece of code. Now I'll import Tkinter. I'll write from Tkinter import TTK, and I'll import Tkinter.colorchooser. That's the module I was talking about. Then I'll declare the window container. I'll write win equals Tkinter.tk. We did this in the last program. I'll also give it a title. Let the title be Tkinter color chooser. Then I'll define the change color function. I'll write def change color. Don't worry if you don't understand what is happening in this program. It's completely fine because we have not discussed any of it. I am just writing this as an example to just show you what the color chooser module can do. Then I'll define this function. I'll write colors equals Tkinter.colorchooser.askColor. I've used the askColor function. And then I'll configure. I'll write win.configure pg equals color1. Now to call on this function, I'll make a button. I'll write ttk.button. So I've used the ttk module button and not the regular one. And I'll call in the window. I'll write the text pick color, and the command would be change color. I'll call in this function, and then I'll pack this. Then I'll call in the main loop. Cool. So what I've done is I've made a button which when clicked will call in this change color function, and you'll be asked to pick a color and it'll change the background color to that color. Cool. So let's run this and see if we can change the background colors. So I have the screen, let me resize it. And I'll pick a color, click on this button. So I have this new window, or a pop-up box you can say. I'll pick any color and select OK. And I have it as the background color. You can even change this color. Let me pick another color, click OK, and I have a different shade. Cool. So that's what Tkinter color chooser module can do. Now if we talk about the other modules that we have, we can talk about common dialog module. So basically we have many modules to create dialogues in Tkinter. This module is the base class for getting dialogues. We can also have file dialog. It is used to get dialogues to save or open the specified file. We have simple dialogues for the dialogues. We can also have font module. So it is used for writing fonts. I'll just show you an example how we do that. So I'll just comment this piece of code and okay. I'll declare a variable, let it be Georgia, equals tk font dot font, and family equals Georgia, size 30, weight bold. That's how you declare a font. And you can declare a lot of things. I have declared the family, size and weight. You can even declare if it needs to be slant, if it needs to be italic or Roman, or if it needs to be underlined, or if it needs to be overstruck. You can even do that. Then we can have other modules like the message boxes. So I'll just write down something for that too. I'll import Tkinter, and from Tkinter I'll import messagebox. Okay, I'll just define another function. So I'll write def dialog messagebox dot show error answer, sorry no answer available. Okay, and then I'll again declare a button, ttk dot button text equals answer, and I'll call in the main loop. Fine. So let's see what we get. So I have my screen, and let me resize it again, and I'll click on this answer button. So I get a pop-up. It says sorry no answer available, and I'll click on OK, and I'll exit the screen. So that's what we have when we use the message box module. We can talk about many more modules in Tkinter. We have scrolled text module, so we can get a text widget with a vertical scroll bar. It's all built in. We have idle lib module, constants module, dnd module, ticks module. We also have total module. It's a very powerful GUI with great applications. And I'd really like you to check out the total module because it's really amazing, and you can do a lot with total too. That's pretty much it about the modules in Tkinter. Thank you.